Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to work back tap on iPhone X2 14. So let's start the video. As you can see, I am tapping the back side of iPhone XS and turn on torch light automatically. First open settings and hit the accessibility and tap on touch. And you can see here back tap, just tap on it. Here you can see double tap and triple tap. You can set anything you want to double tap. For example, I am select camera on double tap. Now you can see tap double here and you can see camera is turned on automatically. Now set the torch here. You can see torch is on. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.